Hello students, today we are going to discuss the English language for class 6th. We have chapter number 12 and the name of the chapter is Agreement of Subject and Verb. Now let us understand the agreement of subject and verb. The verb must agree with the subject in number and person for a sentence to be grammatically correct. This is known as the agreement of subject and verb. For an instance, the books are lying on the desk. Books is a subject of the sentence. Are lying is the verb. If the subject is plural, then it has to agree with the verb also. That is, the verb must also be plural. And the book is lying on the desk. If the subject is singular, then the verb has to agree with it in being singular. That is the agreement of subject and verb. Now we have agreement of subject and verb rules to better understand this chapter. Now rule 1 says, two or more subjects joined by and take a plural verb. For example, Sunil, Renu, Medha and I are good friends. Rule 2 says collective noun when thought of a single unit takes singular verb followed by of plus noun or be a single word. That is, for example, a team of expert lawyers is investigating the case. Rule 3 says two singular nouns joined by or, either, or, and neither nor take a singular verb. For example, Mary or Joan is going to escort the chief guest. Rule 4 says indefinite pronouns such as much, many, anything, nothing, etc. take a singular verb. For example, everything is very expensive these days. Now with countable noun, they can take the plural verb. How? Look at here. For example, many of my friends are waiting for results. Rule 5 says titles of books always take a singular verb, even if the name has plural nouns. For example, A Tale of Two Cities is a popular novel by Charles Dickens. Rule 6 says the subject and verb in a sentence must agree in number. For example, a cat sleeps on a porch. The subject is singular, the verb will also be singular. Rule 7 says when two subjects, one of which is plural and the other one is singular, and they are joined by conjunctions, so they are agrees with the closest subject. For example, the boy or his friends jog every morning. Rule 8 says two subjects joined by words as well as or with. The verb takes singular or plural based on first subject. For example, the crew with the director are going for the first show. So students, this was your chapter agreement of subject and verb. I hope you have understood it through the rules. Thank you students.